What is going on, YouTube? It is your boy Nate, and welcome back to another episode of Pony Power Garage. In this episode, man, we are going to be basically on my V6. I was hearing a clunking sound in my front suspension. To me, it was sounding like it was coming from my right side, but also coming from my left. So I want to basically bring you guys on the first side. We're gonna pull through my alley because there's a lot of little bumps. Let you guys hear what I'm hearing, and then we're gonna pull it into the garage, kind of diagnose it kind of quick and figure out what the sound is, and then we're going to hopefully go get the part and come back and put it on and run another test. So that's what we're gonna be doing in this video, is just a little V6 suspension type of thing. I hope you guys go on to enjoy the video. If you guys do, drop a like, comment down below anything you guys want to see in the future. Enough talking, let's go ahead and run to the first example. Alright, so we are pulling into the alley where you guys should be able to hear the suspension really bad. So listen. You'll hear it right here. So it sounds like it's coming from the left. So we're gonna figure out what that sound is and fix it, right? So we'll see you guys inside of the garage. All right, so pretty much where we're at now, we got the tire off, we got it all jacked up and everything. So just by me kind of moving stuff with it bolted, I can't really see. I mean, there's a little play going back. That could be the issue, which is this front tie rod here. But we're just gonna start taking things apart and kind of playing with it and kind of figure out where that metal to metal contact is coming from. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get to it. All right, so we got it disconnected from the strut and everything. I know the strut is good because I had just replaced this not too long ago. I still have the boxes over there somewhere. But so I'm just gonna do a little bit more research, kind of figure things out. There is play that way. It could be this bearing here. It could be this bearing back here. So we're gonna do a little bit more research, kind of figure things out. And then once we kind of have an idea, we're gonna let you guys know and then record us taking that part off. So that's kind of where we're at. So we're at kind of a standstill for right now. We'll see you guys in a minute. All right, so we did a little bit of research. Typically, it's not gonna be your steering column, basically. I can't forget the name of it. But this is designed just for steering. And then you got your lower control arm, and then you got your sway bar, and then you got your sway bar end link. And so when I did my research, a lot of people said this is a common cause of clunking. So we're going to run and grab both ends and basically get this one off and put the other new one on, and then do the same thing to the other side, and then do a test, and hopefully that fixes the clunking. If it doesn't, then it's going to be another video, another day. But at least we'll have new sway bar end links and bushings and everything. So yeah, so I'll see you guys when we get back with the tool. All right, let's go over the two sway bar end links, the old ones. So let's start with the passenger side. The passenger side, I mean, it's really tight. The one that I cut, I can't test, but the bearing definitely is worn for sure. And the driver side, so this one, the plastic bearing piece was worn off. So that could have been an issue. Literally, I think both sides, and this one was tough too. I think these were definitely ready to replace, but I did, in fact, find the thumping. So you can hear that, but that would have been the thump in the car. So these are the two old ones. So we're gonna throw these in the recycling bin, and then put on these new ones, and then run another test. So we want to do 85 foot-pounds on the torque wrench. So alright, so we got the new sway bar link installed on this side, as well as the passenger side. Everything's torqued down to specs, everything's good. Just gotta put the tires on and then drop her and then run the test. Alright, so we're in the car running another test on the same road. Here comes big bumps. Boom. Definitely fixed it. And yeah, man, so we definitely will see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys went on to enjoy it. If you guys did, drop a like, comment down below, and just a little garage, you know,